In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Escape the Backrooms multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Escape the Backrooms is officially available through Steam, and if you want to play multiplayer, you will have to add your friends through Steam. So, if you aren't friends with each other on the Steam launcher, go over to your Steam Friends page, gather your friend code, and share it with your friends. Once both of you are added through Steam, you will be able to invite each other to play. So from the home screen of the game, you will see single player and multiplayer, and of course the option that we're looking for is the second one, so choose it from here. When you choose multiplayer, you will see a list of servers. If you just want to play with random people online, then you can join any of these servers here. You will see the MS, which is your latency, so lower MS is going to be better latency. You will see the amount of players who are connected, and you will see who is hosting, so their name will appear, you can choose and join. Alternatively, you can create your own server, so if you want to play between only you and your friends, or you want to host a session so everyone can join, choose the option here at the left. Once you create a server, you can set up the maximum amount of players, and you can make it a private server so no random people can join. So if you are playing with friends, remember to take this option. The maximum amount of players can go up to 4, so you can have up to 4 people in a lobby. There is an alternative method using Cheat Engine to go up to 16 players, but I cannot cover it in this video. There should be an extra video about this subject if you want to increase the amount of players. So once you choose the option to create the server, a lobby will appear, and now everyone can join. You can use this button here to invite your friends from Steam, so you click on Invite Friends and they will be able to join you. Then you can customize all of the options about to save here, and then choose the option to start. Once you start the game, all of you will load in, you can see each other around the map, interact, and so on. It is easy to set up, and as long as everyone owns the game through Steam, you can join the same lobby to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Escape the Backrooms multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.